everybody and welcome to another video. I am here in Playa del Carmen on the city of Constituyentes, and in this video I will be meeting some friends and going to the island of Cozumel, located right outside of Playa del Carmen here in the east part of Mexico in the Yucatan Peninsula. Just bought some snacks here at Oxxo, some chips, tuna, the sandwich and Coca-Cola. And here is my friend Thomas that I have been waiting for. He's coming with me from Germany, and the people that we are meeting are also from Germany. Hello Thomas.
Hi guys.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for waiting, man.
How you doing? We started walking on 5th Avenue going to the ferry terminal. The ferries go out to the island of Cozumel every hour from the morning until the evening. There are two ferry companies, and today we were going with one called Ultramar, a blue and yellow boat. We have arrived to Parque Los Fundadores. It's a park here located right next to the pier where the boats go out to Cozumel from, and also a big beach here. So what we have to do now is see if we can get some tickets. Sometimes the line is actually huge and you have to be here a bit ahead of time to get a ticket. But today it looks like it won't be that bad. The beach was already full of people enjoying this beautiful day by the Caribbean Sea. We bought round-trip tickets for 600 pesos, which is about $30 US. There were quite a lot of people getting ready to get on the boat, but we also had to go through the security control. So you also have to go through this security when you're taking the boat from Playa del Carmen to Cozumel. So it does take some extra time. You have to make sure to be here like 30 minutes early sometimes to get a ticket and also go through this here. It's some kind of scanning device. You have to put your bag through there. It's almost the exact same thing as when you get on an airplane. They scan your bag and make sure you don't bring anything bad. We're gonna make it.
Yeah, I hope so.
A little bit stressful, but now we're here. We were getting on the 11 o'clock boat, but they start at 8 in the morning and go every hour until 8 in the evening. Made it on time here to the Ultramar ferry going from Playa del Carmen to Cozumel. I think it's gonna be about a 30-minute drive, boat drive. And yeah, we also are really lucky with the weather today. The weather forecast said it will be cloudy, but the sun is shining. Second deck, we can sit inside or outside. We took off on the big boat heading out and away from the mainland of Mexico. On the boat there was also a live band playing music. So we've been going for about 15 minutes now, and I'm starting to see the island of Cozumel a little bit better here. It's actually quite a big island and it's totally flat. No elevation really, but some of the best beaches and snorkeling I think in all of Mexico. Everybody, come on, wake up! We had arrived to the island, located just off the coast of the mainland of Mexico. You can rent a scooter and drive around the whole island in just about an hour. There's also an international airport located in the only city on the island. We arrived here to Cozumel on this really fast boat. I think it took maybe 35 minutes or so. Now we're gonna meet some other friends from Germany and then go out on a private boat and go around the island. We are walking further in to the island of Cozumel, still looking for our friend Thomas from Germany. He lives here. We had met up with another group of people and we're about to meet 2 more people, then head to the marina. Here is the first Thomas, now we're looking for the second Thomas.
Yeah, let's get him.
Yeah, let's find the second Thomas.
Let's find him.
Also from Germany, both from Germany.
Oh wow,
the second Thomas also. We are gonna find your brother now. We found Thomas. He's here.
Alemania.
Nice to see you again.
Hello. Long time no see, man. Good to see you. William, when was the last time?
I had met Thomas about a year ago in the west side of Mexico, where he stayed then, and we had enjoyed jumping from the rooftop there.
Whoa! Yeah! We're on top of Bucerias, I think. The tallest point in all of Bucerias. Whoa!
Oh yeah.
So here is Thomas' place in Cozumel. It's like a rooftop place, 2 balconies. It's only 4,000 pesos per month, so that's like $200. And quite nice of a place, look. Here is like a bedroom. They have Wi-Fi also, good Wi-Fi. Toilet here. Kitchen here. And another rooftop here. Very good.
Yeah! We're gonna head to the taxi.
Here we have the dive master Thomas. Now we're getting into the taxi to head to the pier.
From driving.
Don't drive it because it's
Here we go.
The weather was good and we were heading to a marina further down south, where we would be getting on a boat to head out to some reefs for diving and snorkeling. When you get out of the main city on the island where the boats come in, there's not much but open green areas and a few resorts here and there. We had paid 500 pesos each, which is about $25 US, for the boat to be driving us around a few hours.
We made it. We got on a taxi, about a 20-minute taxi ride for 200 pesos, about $10. And we're gonna be getting on one of these boats here, heading to the south side of the island. Also got these flippers, huge flippers, so we can dive down deep and hopefully see some really cool corals. But the rain started pouring a bit here, so we just have to maybe wait a bit until the rain clears up.
See my motives tight and lounge. Didn't know which way to turn. Flow was cool, but I still felt burned. Energy up, you gon' feel my surge.
So before we continue this video, I would like to take this moment and speak about something important. When you're in a different country far away from home, like I am, sometimes you might get sick, injured, or something goes wrong. So I'd like to tell you about the travel insurance that I have. It's by a company called Safety Wing, and it's the best insurance for digital nomads and travelers. And good thing is that you can start the insurance right as you're about to start a new trip, or even as you're getting on a plane and going abroad. And you can choose a start and end date if you have planned your trip. But also, as in my case, I never know where I'll go and for how long. But I'm still covered all around the world, which is really amazing since you don't need to specify which country or countries you're going to. And they have great features such as coverage for medical problems and accidents, and even lost luggage, travel delays, natural disasters, and personal liability. So if you're going to travel outside of your home country and want a really great and affordable travel insurance, you can sign up by clicking the link in the description of this video. I have had this travel insurance myself for over a year, and I was looking on the internet for a long time before I found Safety Wing and decided to go with them. Something I also like is that when you go on the website and try to contact somebody, they usually reply within a minute every time. So it's really easy to get a hold of people also. Sometimes that can be a problem with companies. It can be really hard to get a hold of people, especially with insurance companies. But in this case, it's really easy and they always answer.
How do you feel about the rain?
Yeah, it's what you have to deal with, right? Like nature always is stronger.
Now it's really pouring.
We have to adapt, and we're gonna make the best out of it. And now, start
Now it's going crazy.
Three showers.
Bye bye.
Oh, the rain is strong.
that what happened?
He's not afraid of the rain. Cheers with the Dosaki for him.
The rain couldn't stop us. We were heading a bit further down to the south part of the island, where you have most of the reefs. The rain had calmed down a bit, and it seemed like we were heading the opposite direction of the rain and into bluer skies.
Thomas, the rescue diver. He's gonna go to 30 meters now and dive in some caves. He's ready with his magic watch also.
30 meters?
Good air, yeah. We stopped here again and it started raining some more. Apparently it's almost 90 feet deep here, like 27 meters. Two people are going diving, but I'm just gonna go snorkeling. I'm gonna see if I can swim all the way down to the bottom, maybe. Probably not, it's probably a bit too deep.
I dove in and went all the way down to the bottom, but was a bit surprised since it seemed like the reef was dying. I got to the bottom and saw some really nice fish, but not really any corals. Unfortunately, coral reefs are dying in all parts of the world because of climate change and pollution. I had gone down quite deep and had to get up again to take a breath of air.
There's not really a reef here, but clear water, and we found some money. 15 pesos I found at the bottom. It's a treasure, the Mexican dream. The sun is out again. How nice. Sun's out. Yeah.
I was up by the surface again, and there was a small fish that had been biting people's nipples, so you really had to watch out. He was trying to get me, but I had protection from some kind of boogie board. The annoying fish had left us alone, and I saw Thomas again at the bottom. They were returning after their 30-minute dive. I went down again to see what they were doing. I'm not sure why I never got my scuba diving certificate, but a few years ago I still did a dive with bull sharks outside the islands of Fiji. We swam down 12 meters and sat at the bottom, right in front of the sharks. We came up again, got into the boat and started driving over to one of the most famous places around the island of Cozumel.
Hey, look at this. There's a bubble fish too.
Oh yeah.
The one with spikes. It's also poisonous, this one.
Yeah, I heard they're poisonous. We stopped here again now at El Cielo, one of the most famous places here around the island of Cozumel. You have some starfish at the bottom and really incredible water also. Thomas is back from his diving. We're gonna see if we can find the starfish at the bottom. Here comes the stingray! Oh, oh shit! Whoa. I was just so close to the stingray. Ooh, you can die from the stings. Steve Irving from Australia, he died. He got stung in his heart by a stingray.
This was El Cielo at the south part of the island. and some of the bluest water I think around the island. Now we just have to find the starfish and jump into the water again.
Incredible water here, can you believe it? So blue, it's like a big swimming pool and the sun is shining. No, not a single cloud now. Incredible.
Let's get some drinks here. Let's get some cerveza.
Can we get one too? We came for the music.
Come for the show.
For the show and the music. Maybe a drink too.
It was really nice to cool off a bit in the water again, and in this area the bottom was full of starfish. They are quite interesting creatures as they have no brain, but said to have eyes at the end of each arm, and instead of blood they pump seawater through their body for nutrients, and also eat mussels and oysters from their mouth in the middle part. Some can also chop off one arm, and then that arm can grow new arms and form a new starfish with the same genetics. The sun was about to go down, so we had to get up on the boat and head back to the starting point again.
See, we're going home, or we need to take a taxi to get back to the ferry. We made it back to Playa del Carmen on the boat. I don't know how long it took, maybe 40 minutes this time. But we're back. I'm gonna walk back home now to where I'm living. Alright my friends, I came back to Playa del Carmen and I would like to say a big thanks for watching this video. Please leave it a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and also you can post a comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to the channel. But thanks again and see you next time. See you next time, see you next time, see you next time.
Also, if you need a really great and affordable travel and health insurance, don't forget to sign up to the exclusive offer using the link in the description of this video.